To begin migrating an installation of Olympus cellSens to a new computer, we first create a folder on the computer being replaced to save the microscope configuration file as well as the license information. To do this, we right-click on the Windows Start button in the lower left corner of your Windows desktop and select File Explorer. In Windows 7, this will be called Windows Explorer. Once File Explorer comes up, in the left pane, browse to and click on your C drive. Then click on New Folder. Name this folder Olympus Support. Now just hit Enter to complete creating the folder. The next step in migrating to a new PC is to save the microscope configuration within cellSens. To do this, go to Acquire, Devices, Device Settings. Click on the blue floppy disk icon to save device configuration. Now browse to the C drive and the Olympus folder that we created. Give the file a relevant name. In this case, I'm naming it the model of the microscope I have, a BX53. Click Save, then OK. At this point, we can decommission the old computer and bring the new computer online. Move the support files over to it and proceed. Once you've downloaded the cellSens installation file, put it in the Olympus folder you created on the root of the C drive. As this is a zip file, we will need to extract it. Do this by right-clicking on it and Extract All. Depending on your computer, this can take a few minutes. Once complete, go into the cellSens folder and double-click on Setup EXE. You will be presented with a window in which you can provide license keys. Click on the Browse button. Browse to the Olympus support folder and double-click on licensekeys.lkf file. This will automatically populate your license. Click Next, Activate, Contact Server. Once you get the green circle with a check mark in it, your license has been activated. Click Next. Once you see the license agreement, click Yes to accept. Next. Select your language. Next. Default location. Next. Under image source selection, select your camera. Click Next. Under microscope controller selection, select the appropriate controller for your motorized or encoded microscope components. If you have a manually controlled microscope, you can leave this selection blank. Click Next. If you have a motorized Uniblitz shutter, select that here. Click Next. Click Next, Next, and then Next one more time to begin installing. Once the installation has completed, just click Finish. Once the program is installed, double-click the cellSens icon to launch it. When the program opens for the first time, you will get a quick device setup window. Select your camera and any microscope controllers you have. If you have a manual microscope, select Manual Microscope or Manual Stereo Microscope. Click OK. In the Device Settings window, click on the yellow folder icon to load device configuration. Browse to your C drive and the Olympus support folder, and double-click on the ODC file you saved. You can now see that cellSens is configured for your microscope. If you encounter any issues in this process, or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 800-225-8330. Select option 1, then option 4, or you can email us at tac@olympus-ossa.com.